Need some creative DIY wall art ideas for your blank walls? Well, I believe that you can show your creativity by what you choose to display in your home. Hi, I'm Tamisha from Toolbox Divas, and this is a nap time DIY. Projects you can do in about an hour while the little one sleeps. Recently, Arlette from Facebook reached out asking for help. She was tired of staring at her boring blank walls in her home. Well, Arlette, I have got just the thing for you. You can fill your walls with beautiful artwork that is a reflection of you and your personality. And you don't have to be a master artist to do this. And like always, you can get the look of something chic on a budget. Here's what you need: some inexpensive acrylic paint, shaving cream, a foam sponge brush, and we're going to be using something like a spatula or a scraper to create a marbleized effect when we're making this artwork. Gloves come in handy because this can get messy, a picture frame, and some cardstock or a poster board. So now we're going to, using the tray and the shaving cream, we're going to spray the shaving cream into the tray. And you want to get a good even coverage of the shaving cream. And you want to make sure that your tray is actually the size of the paper that you're going to be working with. And we're going to take a few drops of paint, add some blue. And you see how my hands are getting all dirty? I forgot to put my gloves on, so I'm going to go ahead and put my gloves on. The paint is water-based, so it's easy to come off. Drop some yellow in here, a little bit of green, tiny bits of black. Then we're going to take the foam brush and we're going to run it to try and blend the colors just a little bit, not much. Just want to move it out a little bit because this will create a little bit of a marbleized effect. And this works best when using a heavier sheet of paper. You can use cardboard paper, or you can use basic art paper, but you want to push it down into the shaving cream. Then using the squeegee, lift it up like so. And I'm going to push it to the side. This can get really messy, so it may be better to do this on plastic, but you just drag it off. And put the excess back into the container, but remove all of the excess shaving cream. And there you have it. Some artwork. Let's add a little something extra to the mix. I'm not gonna go too much, but I'm gonna use the squeegee this time to blend it in a little bit. Smush it down, making sure to cover all of the areas. Now let's remove it. Now let's wipe the excess off. I'm gonna clean up the table while I allow the artwork to dry. With everything dry, now we can go ahead and frame it. And we're using an inexpensive frame. This frame was under $10. Seriously, how chic is that? No more empty walls. And when your friends come over, you can gloat with pride knowing that you created the artwork in your home. And I hope you got some useful tips in which you can use for creating inexpensive artwork in your home. If you have a question or a problem, hit me up on social media at Toolbox Divas, and you might just find the answer to your question on the next episode of Nap Time DIY.